Once upon a midnight, in a quiet town, lived a playful poltergeist named Peeves without a frown. He would shake the trees with a ghostly delight, and make the flowers dance with a spectral light. One day, he found a little girl named Mia, who was lost and crying, feeling all alone. Peeves approached her, his ghostly form aglow. "Don't be afraid, little one, I'm here to show. I'm Peeves, the poltergeist, and I'll help you find the path that leads you home, where your heart left behind." Mia looked up, her eyes wide with surprise. But she trusted Peeves, feeling no fear in her eyes. Together they set off, through the dark and the mist. With Peeves leading the way, he was the best guide in town. They laughed and they chatted, about things big and small. Mia learned that Peeves was quite fond of them all. As they reached the outskirts, they saw the bright lights of Mia's home, where her family waited, filled with rights. Mia ran towards her home, with a grateful heart, thanking Peeves for his help, from the depths of her heart. Peeves waved goodbye, with a warm, friendly smile, promising Mia that if she ever needed him, he'd be there for a while. From that day on, Mia never felt lost or alone, for she knew that Peeves, the friendly poltergeist, was always on his phone. Peeves returned to his quiet town, with a heart full of cheer. So, if you ever feel lost, or scared in the dark, remember Mia, and the friendly poltergeist that left his mark. And every night, as you drift into slumbering sleep, dream of Peeves, the poltergeist, who'll keep a watchful keep in the world of the living, or the world of the dead. Peeves, the friendly, helpful poltergeist, is always a friend instead.